ladies. So guys, it's the next day. I'm in the elevator going downstairs. We are gonna check out one of the restaurants here. There's tons of restaurants here. We're gonna have breakfast right now. And in New York, it's actually lunchtime. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I wanna eat. But I'm gonna pick the phone up. I'm gonna pick you guys back up once I get in the restaurant because they're playing music here in the casino. So I want to get you guys some footage of the restaurants, the casino, and of the facility. buddies. Okay, so I had to jump in here. Editing KK here. I had to jump in just to let you guys know you have to try this restaurant. It is a 10 out of 10. I included some video. You guys are going to see more in my travel vlog, my Vegas travel vlog. But you guys have to try the tamarind margarita. OMG. This food was absolutely delicious. Hey travel buddies, so this is editing KK here. I had to jump in here and just to let you guys know you have to try the Funny Library's macadamia milk. I had a macadamia latte with this pistachio Danish. OMG, you guys have to try it. So good. Okay guys, so this is Kitchen Express. You guys have to try the buffalo wings. Really tasty. My sister had the burger. She said it was delicious. They also have a pretty decent Caesar salad, especially if you're on the go. You can order from your TV and pick it up.